In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can easily open up the key fob for your Subaru Legacy and change the internal battery at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is one of these CR2025 batteries. If you'd like to pick one of these up online, I will leave a link down in the description here on YouTube to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And once you have that, you can follow along. The only other thing that you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. So pick up your device, look at the top. There's a little indentation here right along the seam of the plastic. Just going to put a flathead screwdriver in. Gently hold the device, don't squeeze it, and just turn your flathead screwdriver. It will come apart very easily. And now you can set this side down. Look to the battery here. Use the very same tool. I'm just going to stick the corner of this flathead screwdriver up from the top left here where there's a little opening in the plastic. You're going to just get under the battery and lift it out. It'll pop right out. And now you can take a new CR2025 battery. Again, there will be a link in the description if you'd like to pick one of these up online. And here we go. We're just going to put it positive side down so the text and information is facing down. Click it into place. Take the two halves, click it back together, and you are all set. That's really all it takes. It's super easy. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in one of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.